Hello, my name is Sarah. How may I assist you?
Hi Sarah, this is Kelly, and I'm looking to quote a small church.
I'd be glad to assist you. What is the name of your applicant?
Sure, the name is the Worship Center.
What lines of coverage were you interested in today?
The applicant is looking for general liability and directors and officers.
What is the applicant's location address?
123 Main Street, Chesterbrook, Pennsylvania, 19087.
Have there been any losses or claims in the past 5 years for this applicant?
No losses.
What general liability limit would they like?
1 million, 2 million?
What is the square footage of the church?
1,200 square feet.
Does the applicant have any outreach programs or any schools?
They just have weekly worship service and Bible study.
What are their annual revenues?
100,000?
Within the past 5 years, have there been any claims or suits brought against the board?
No.
Are they aware of any circumstance that may give rise to a claim?
Not at all.
How many full-time employees?
1?
Any part-time, seasonal, or temporary employees or volunteers?
There are 4 volunteers.
Does the applicant have an exposure to apartment buildings or daycares?
No?
Does the applicant have a parsonage they need to cover?
Not at this time.
Kelly, thank you for providing me with a sufficient amount of information to generate your instant quote. We can provide a house of worship quote with United States Liability Insurance Company on admitted paper. The carrier has an AM Best rating of A++, and this is an annual term we are providing you with today. To recap what we have on your quote today, we are rating for a house of worship that is 1,200 square feet. We are providing general liability coverage at $1 million per occurrence, $2 million aggregate. We are also including abuse and molestation at $100,000, $300,000, and pastoral professional liability at $100,000, $100,000 for no additional premium. The directors and officers coverage is $1 million, and employment practices liability at $1 million, which covers both the full-time employee and the volunteers. The total premium for the risk is $1,550.
Great, thank you.
I can offer you 2 options at this time. I can send over this quote as is, along with the pre-filled application for you to review, or we can continue to complete the remaining eligibility questions here over the phone and get the account ready to bind. How would you like to proceed?
Sarah, please send the application as is so that I may review it with my client.
I'll send that over to you now. Binding instructions will be included in the quote proposal that is being sent over.
Great.
Is there anything else on your desk that we can help you quote today?
Not at this time, Sarah.
Kelly, thank you for giving us the opportunity to quote this house of worship. Have a great day.
You too.